What's up guys, welcome to AlienGoBoom. Today we are gonna be testing if non-lethal shotgun ammo can be lethal to an alien head. We're using the 12 gauge Max M less lethal. It is filled with 15 rubber shots, and now let us see if it can be lethal to this alien head. Next round. Good. Now let us see what we can find inside the thing. It is bleeding, but this doesn't mean if it is dead. Get some pieces out. And find the rubber ball. There's a crack at the bone. But it is not a kill. Can't find any other hits. No, it's not a kill. Another hole. Okay, from about 5 meters it can't be lethal. And now let us try from a closer range. There, good. Okay. This could be a kill. Oh fuck. It completely crushed the forehead. I can't find any balls. Blood is coming out, dripping all over the face. As you can see, the last shot killed the alien, but you must get close enough to the target. And I'm super impressed that this less lethal rubber ball ammo can kill an alien. I hope you liked this episode, and we see you next time on AlienGoBoom. What's up guys, welcome to your favorite alien ass kicking show on YouTube.